So hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel again. So guys, in this video we will see how to fix Wi-Fi not connecting in Samsung Galaxy A17. So guys, first simply turn on and off your airplane mode. For turning on and off your airplane, simply swipe down and here you simply go and simply go. Here is your airplane mode. Simply on and off. Okay, another step guys, you simply restart your phone. For restarting, same here in this menu, you just click here and simply tap on the option of restart. After that, forget and reconnect your Wi-Fi. So guys, if you are already connected with the same Wi-Fi, so just go swipe down and long press on your Wi-Fi. Just go through option of detail and here it shows your Wi-Fi. So just simply long press on your Wi-Fi and here it should connect because I'm already forget. So when you get the forget option, so you just simply tap on the forget option and forget your network. Okay, then guys, you move to the another step, which is reset your network setting. For resetting the network setting, just go back, simply go here, move downward and go to the option of general management. In the general management, here you see the option of reset and here you see the reset mobile network setting and reset Wi-Fi and Bluetooth setting. So you simply just click here and reset your network setting. Still having the issue? So guys, check for the device update on your cellular network. First you turn on your cellular network, simply swipe down and turn on your data. Okay, after that simply move to the settings. In the settings section, here you go to the option of developer option, software update and use only Wi-Fi. So select it to using the Wi-Fi or the mobile data. Okay, so these are the fixes that you can use to fix this issue. Okay, so guys, thank you and have a nice day, and guys, subscribe our YouTube channel for the further informations.